Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the bio of Instagram PC. We start by opening Instagram and then we enter our profile. Next, we click on Edit Profile at the top. Here we can find the bio section. We can edit the content and apply the changes with Submit. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, we will see that the presentation of our profile has been modified. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.